Lately, I've been receiving a lot of phone calls from folks considering a move to Prescott, Arizona, and they're telling me what they want and they're wondering if that is something that is available. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about what you can get in Prescott for $1 million. And what I've done is I've gone through all of the current listings. So these are homes that are available today to give you a variety, to show you new construction, historic homes, in town, out of town, forest, open, grass fields. I picked these homes because it's a great representative sample of what Prescott has to offer for $1 million. All of these homes are currently priced between $900,000 and $1.1 million, so right around that $1 million mark. So we're going to start off in Williamson Valley up in the north section of Prescott. These homes are going to be a half hour away from downtown. So great opportunity if you're looking for space and don't mind a bit of a commute. From there, we're going to go over to the north side of Prescott Valley to Prescott Prairie. And then we'll circle down to a really cool community called Timber Ridge. And that's in the pine trees in the southwest portion of Prescott. And then I'll show you some new construction options in Jasper and Granite estates. From there, we'll head back a little bit south, but still very much in town, to Yavapai Hills and the ranch at Prescott. I've picked these homes because they are a good representation of what you'll find. So even though these homes may not be available on the market when you're watching this video or when you come to Prescott, there's a good chance we'll be able to find one like it. As you watch this video, think about for each of these homes, what parts appeal to you and what parts don't, because that might help you zero in on specific neighborhoods or a specific style of home. The other thing to keep in mind is that the newer homes that I'm showing you today are typically going to be found in homeowners associations, but there are infill custom homes not in associations, and there are some new upcoming communities as well in town and on the edge of town that I'm also really excited about. Those details are coming soon. So if you're interested, definitely reach out to me. Make sure that we know what you're looking for. Let's get into the list of homes. We're gonna start in the northwest section of Prescott, and this home is in Inscription Canyon Ranch. This home sits on 2.1 acres and it was built in 2001. It's 2,173 square foot with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. I picked this home because it's beautiful. If you look at these windows, the view, the hardwood floors, this has a real mountain cabin feel with the loft style that you'll find often in these types of homes. And the finishes, I'll say they're middle of the road. It's definitely been updated, but it's not brand new. From here, we're going to head just a little bit south into a neighborhood called Whispering Canyon. Now in Whispering Canyon, there is a builder that has a group of homes available, new construction. There's a model we can go check out, and I want to show you an example of what's available. So here, you're going to get brand new construction. We're looking at 2,315 square foot, 4 bedrooms, and 3 bathrooms on a little more than half an acre. We're talking brand new construction, solid wood front door, beamed ceilings, beautiful fireplace, and a lot of the design and features that you want in today's home. And yes, Inscription Canyon does have an HOA, currently running about $96 a quarter. So a very small HOA, just maintaining the community, and again, not a bunch of amenities here in Inscription Canyon. Estimated completion date for a home in this community is about 10 months. So if you're looking for new construction in a community with a protected look and feel, and you don't mind a 30-minute drive to get to downtown Prescott, this is definitely a community worth checking out. This next home is also in Williamson Valley, but there is no HOA here. This home sits on just over 6 acres. It was built in 1994, and it features 4,138 square foot of living space with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. This home caught my eye because specifically, I'm going to say it's pretty typical to what we're going to find in Williamson Valley. It has 6 acres. So if you're looking for a good size home on a good amount of land and amazing views, this area of Williamson Valley is an area to keep your eye on. Okay, so enough about Williamson Valley. Let's go over to Prescott Prairie, which is a community I mentioned in a previous video. This is the area to be if you want wide open land. This home in Prescott Prairie sits on 2 acres with 2,152 square foot, and this home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And as you can imagine, Prescott Prairie, this area is perfect for horse levers. Not only do you have your home with your 3-car garage, but you also have a huge detached garage. It's about 35 foot by 56 foot. The structure is great for a hobby space or to keep all your toys. The house was built in 2006. And honestly, it's gorgeous inside. So we've covered 2 different areas of Prescott that are on the north side. Now we're going to head down to the southwest side of Prescott into the pine trees to a community called Timber Ridge. This home has a lot more land than what's typical for Timber Ridge. At just under an acre, they've actually combined 3 lots to make this particular one. This home has 2,639 square foot with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, and it's just really pretty. The Timber Ridge neighborhood is gorgeous. You're in the pine trees, and Timber Ridge does have a homeowners association. You do have city water and city sewer, and there's a clubhouse here that has a pool, hot tub, and tennis courts. I did say I wanted to show you the variety of what Prescott has to offer, so now we're gonna head downtown to this historic home. Built in 1879, this home sits on a 6,000 square foot lot with 3 bedrooms. It is a 2-story and it has 2 bathrooms. There is a guest house. It's a 1-bedroom, 1 bath at 746 square foot. Looking at the historic photo and the current photos of this home, it has so much character and it's move-in ready. That's almost like the complete opposite side of the coin compared to a lot of the other homes I've been showing you in this video. But let's go right down into the middle. And I'm talking about 2 communities in Prescott that are very centrally located. These homes were built in the early 2000s. First, we're going to look at Prescott Highlands, and then we're going to look at Prescott Lakes. This home in Prescott Highlands is 3,416 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The lot is less than 1/2 acre, but you have a 3-car garage. You have nice high ceilings inside. You have these really cute blue kitchen cabinets. This has a more modern feel with that aqua blue tile backsplash on the countertop, and there's also a really nice view from the deck. From here, let's look at a home in Prescott Lakes, also a very convenient location with a homeowners association and amenities that are some of the best around. People fall in love with Prescott Lakes because it's a mature, established neighborhood and it's fairly centrally located, so your trips to Trader Joe's, Costco, and downtown are all just a few minutes away. This home was built in 2013. It's 2,194 square foot with 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Now, you may say 2 bedrooms, how is that? Well, a lot of homes here in Prescott, because we have people that are coming in that are retired or semi-retired, bedrooms themselves aren't the most important thing. What they're looking for is living space. So a 2-bedroom house, well, this one, it actually also has a really nice office, in addition to a huge covered patio with pavers, a little water feature, and even a hot tub. And of course, great views. I mean, Granite Mountain is visible right out your backyard. Next up, we're going to look at 2 brand new construction homes. The first one is in Prescott in a community called Granite Estates, and the second one is in Prescott Valley in a community called Jasper. Now, these communities are actually, even though one is in Prescott and one is in Prescott Valley, they're not far from each other. They're both on the north side of Prescott, but close to town, and these are just representative of what you can find in these communities in new construction. Here in these communities, you're going to find smaller lot sizes, HOAs, consistent look and architecture, but ultra convenience. Both have a great clubhouse. This first one in Granite Estates is 3,206 square foot with 3 bedrooms, 4 baths on just over a 10,000 square foot lot. The courtyard living, the beamed ceilings, the 2 sets of glass doors that go out to the patio, and a gorgeous kitchen with all those extra upper cabinets. This is what new construction in Granite Estates looks like. Next, we'll go over to Jasper. The Jasper community is growing fast. There are several builders currently building new construction in Jasper. So if you don't want to be around new construction at all, Jasper may not be the place for you. But the clubhouse is stunning. The pool, the amenities. I personally feel that if you're looking for an HOA and you're looking for amenities, Jasper has one of the best values out there. and you can get a gorgeous new home. There's several builders to choose from, and there is a pretty wide variety of price points. That being said, the home that I picked out for this video is 2,585 square foot with 3 bedrooms and 4 baths, and it sits on a 12,000 square foot lot. Now, they're showing the lot in the design center here in an RV garage. The key is to think about the community and the square footage, because your options are going to change what your pricing is. Now, bear with me, we've been through a lot. There are 2 more homes I'm going to show you. One is in Yavapai Hills. It was built in 2020. And then the last one is in the ranch at Prescott. So first, Yavapai Hills. This is an established community in Prescott, and there are lots of hills here, so you're going to have quite a number of homes with views. This one in particular was built in 2020. It's 2,704 square foot with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and just under a half acre. Now, this is newer for Yavapai Hills, but I picked it because I do have a thing for those beamed ceilings. We have newer countertops, newer finishes. I'll say this isn't the typical Yavapai Hills home. It is slightly newer. A lot of homes in Yavapai Hills will have walkout basements, smaller decks, and smaller yard space. This one has a bit more usable land. Okay, and the last one, we're going to the ranch at Prescott. This home was built in 1996. It's 2,803 square foot with 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, and we're getting a little bit larger lot size here. We're at almost 3/4 of an acre. This home does have a walkout basement, and the finishes in this home, they're going to be typical of what you're going to find of a lot of homes in town in Prescott. The style of stucco on the exterior, the bathroom vanities, showers, and even those arches in the living room. They're very typical of that age home. So to recap, we just looked at a dozen homes. Wow, that's exhausting. We've gone from Williamson Valley to Prescott Valley. We've scattered ourselves all across the Prescott area, and I tried to find a variety. I'm sure out of this list, there's probably 2 or 3 that stood out to you as definite possibilities, and probably another 4 or 5 that were absolute no-goes, and that's okay. The idea is to see the variety, to see what's out there. Do you want new construction? Do you want an HOA? Do you want acreage? Do you want room for horses? These are all key questions that are going to help direct you to a specific neighborhood, and even more so to a specific home that could be in a different area. If your budget is around $1 million, there's a lot of variety in Prescott. It's just a matter of finding the one that's right for you. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little easier than having to scroll through a bunch of websites to see what's out there. And of course, I've only shown you a dozen homes. There's over 100 on the market right now in that price range. So for this budget, I think there are 3 key factors that you really need to think about. First, how new of a home do I want? Do I want the new granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, high ceilings? Second, do I want to live in a homeowners association that has a cohesive feel? Do I want a homeowners association with amenities, or do I want it to be just the basics? And lastly, is land important to me? Do I just need a yard, maybe a place for the dog, and then a place to have coffee? Or do I want a ton of space? Whatever your answer is to each one of these questions, there's an option out there, and I'm here to help you find it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And remember, pricing and availability changes in Prescott on a daily basis. So when you're ready to start your house hunt, reach out to me. I'd be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. It's Odessa Kyleman with eXp Realty. Bye.